Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn expressions and equations together, step by step. Two words that look alike but act differently. An expression, like 3x plus 5, has no equal sign. You can only simplify or evaluate it. An equation, like 3x plus 5 equals 11, has an equal sign, so you can solve it to find x. Knowing which one you're holding tells you exactly what to do next. To simplify, combine like terms with the very same variable. 5x plus 2x is 7x. But 3x and 3x squared are not alike, so leave them apart. The distributive property clears parentheses. A times the quantity b plus c becomes ab plus a circa. So 2 times x plus 4 equals 2x plus 8. Let's simplify 4 times x plus 3 minus 2x. First distribute the 4, that gives 4x plus 12 minus 2x. Now group the like terms. 4x minus 2x is 2x. The 12 has no partner, so it stays. The simplified expression is 2x plus 12. Distribute first, then combine. Now let's evaluate 2. A minus 3b when a is 5 and b is 2. Substitute carefully. 2 times 5 minus 3 times 2. That's 10 minus 6. So the value is 4. The trick is to replace each letter with its number inside parentheses, then follow the order of operations. Slow and steady wins. Remember the difference. No equal sign means expression, and you simplify. An equal sign means equation, and you solve. To simplify, distribute to clear parentheses, then combine like terms. To evaluate, substitute the numbers and compute. These moves are the foundation for every algebra problem ahead. Practice until they feel natural. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.